Hey guys, today I'm doing an update on my Harry Potter slime from my Harry Potter slime video. Yeah. Oh, Jasper's here. He's big. Oh, I also want to say I have this for Princess Piggy, except you guys don't know who Princess Piggy is, so I'm not saying their real name. Yeah. Alright, anyways, here's the slime. This one is mine. It's purple, dark purple. Oh, wow. It's like metallic. It's not really good lighting. Here, I'm gonna try to get, there's more light over here. You see the metallic. Yeah. Alright, and so that's mine. It's stretchy. Kinda. Yeah, it's just putty. And now I'll show you Ellie's. Where'd that kid go? Alright, anyways, hers is green. She added a bucket load of lotion into it. It smells good, that's for sure. Alright, hers is more stretchier, but it's like sticky and has chunks in it. So I'll say, what, Jasper? What? What, Jasper? He's meowing. Anyways, this is Ellie's. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be... Hi. Hear him purr. Alright, time to do the What Banana Ate Your Claws and Pusher. And yes, he is purring, so I'm not like torturing him. No, watch me, babe. Watch me, Nene. I don't want to do that. I'm sorry. He's mad. Jasper, you mad? Dang, his tail's fluffy. Alright, well that's a very random video. I'll probably delete this in a couple days, so bye. Have a nice life.